Well, you guessed it. Track day. Loaded up, ready to go. Hopefully everybody will be there today. We'll see. We also got dyno day coming up in a couple of weeks, so that'll be fun too.
Alright, we got McNugget up here. He did his cold trickle runs and missed a bunch of gears, so he didn't say much about going. I didn't even know he's going up there, honestly. We're sitting here talking. Here we go. Don't miss a gear, Kevin. Jinx. Come on. Come on, McNugget. Go, McNuggets. Red light. Double clutching. He's double clutching. There goes McNugget. 030 red chases a race. 768 at 90.5. Him and that rusty door car gonna have to get down. They gonna have to race.
That would be a good one. Yeah, they're pretty close.
What you doing, man? You snuck up there.
I was sitting there for 30 minutes.
We're talking. I didn't know what you were doing. I know how you like to ride around the return road. I didn't know what you were doing. I thought you went to the store and got something.
I said, I gotta go check in, and then I've been
Dude, I didn't even know. We're sitting over here talking. What, they're on 60? What's 60 foot?
68, 162. I wasn't confident in that pass at all, so I knew it was going to be tough.
Yeah, well,
I was afraid that both wheels weren't even spinning because I couldn't see any smoke.
Couldn't see no smoke.
No water.
I know. I
was scared. I stopped the burnout early because I was afraid I was going to smoke.
Are we allowed to cuss on your channel? Because you. Oh, well, I'm just asking. Because I'm filming this on your channel. If I just cut it, I get loose on here. I didn't know. I mean, you're just. I didn't know how we're not allowed. Okay. Hey, there's no cussing on Kevin's channel. I'm just saying. I wasn't really pointing a finger. I was just saying. Because, well, he just cussed. And I said, can we cuss? He said no. So I don't know. I guess it's your channel. Do what you want. You make the rules up as you go. I told everybody you had missed some gears while you were cold trickling, so maybe that's why you were sneaking around in case something bad happened. But I caught it on film. I called it a success.
That was another reason why I was scared on every shift the whole way down. I was afraid I was going to miss like I did earlier.
Dang it. Dang it. Well, hey, it don't matter if you miss in practice. Look at me. I miss all the time on the street. You just don't want to miss it on the track. On the track.
Between the crappy burnout and the lack of confidence,
yeah,
I'm surprised it went that fast.
Dang. Damn it, man. All right. There goes Dennis. We go. Get some. Are you good? Kyle's got his crew chief Brad over there. Carb life, yo. Get them, McNuggets. Kyle. F and Kyle. Versus Kyle done lost the tail light on his car. He launched it so hard. Here we go. Kyle riddling like a thumbnail. That's a pretty good run. Ow! 49 and 90.9. That's what I'm talking about. My boy getting his work done. He put his work clothes on today.
Yeah.
Dang! Kyle took a short turn of shame.
He missed the gear.
Oh, damn it. Dang! McNuggets 49s. Yeah, that's a good run. It looked solid when he left. I was like, oh, that's good.
Yeah.
I want to see a 60 foot on that one.
I was about to say it sounded good.
He struggled with the 60s or whatever. It's like 159 best. So.
Yeah. See if
All
the
right,
truck
cool.
goes here.
He'll come back around and holla at it. Capitalize.
Yeah, you seen that 49?
Yeah. When you see, whoa, it gets better on the hot lap, right? You want to capitalize.
Yeah.
What's up, killer? 49. 749. What was the 60 foot?
I don't know. You gonna tell him I'm running on the same side?
Okay.
Hey, it's worth a shot. I said it's worth a shot.
You guys gonna run
My
again?
hand slipped off the shifter.
Damn it.
really?
You guys
Yes,
gonna run
I-
again?
Huh?
You guys gonna run again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, I'll tell them.
Yeah, see why you wipe your hand off now?
Oh gosh,
Yeah.
yes, I can.
My hand went right off.
Not only the
shifter.
hand, I wiped the knob off too.
Yeah.
Get all of it.
Especially on hot days.
150. What?
150 flat.
Damn, I told you. All right, we gotta go. Fixing the race. Let's go. Here we go, trying to back that number up. It don't have one. Got chip in it. All right, here we go. Hope I'm getting this. I'm probably doing a bad job. Damn it, Ridley. Come on, McNugget. 51 and 90.6. 86 and 88. McNugget is overheating. What's going on, McNugget?
There was water pouring out of
What'd you do to it?
it. You done blew a hose, looks like.
This looks like you done blew a hose.
You know, Volkswagens don't do
What'd you,
that.
damn,
Yeah.
son. What you doing, McNugget?
Is it a radiator or is it a hose?
I don't know.
Weird.
Weird.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Something blow, something.
Oh, my bad.
It's looking.
Oh, where's
Heater hose.
Is it split?
You got a cap on this?
Yeah, but it's still on there.
Still on
No,
there.
never mind. I thought that
Yeah,
was
it's
a
still
regular
good.
hose.
got a lot puddled right there?
Is it pissing out of here?
I don't know.
That clamp is loose.
We got 18 people looking at it.
You got antifreeze in this thing?
No. Damn you, McNugget.
Oh!
It's power it up real quick so we can see it.
Yeah, it's out of gas.
You know, how hot is it? Too hot to start?
It was
All right, we got.
I was about to say,
Go.
just to see.
I mean, I turned it off.
Here was the first pass of the day. I didn't figure it was going to go well when I was pulling up to do the burnout. There wasn't even any water in the burnout box, so I was afraid of messing up the clutch again. I started my burnout, couldn't see any smoke, so I just stopped the burnout early and went ahead and rolled up to the line. So the pass ended up being a little better than I figured it was going to be. I figured it'd be a total disaster, but second pass, best pass so far in the car, best 60 foot, not the best mile an hour, just tied mile an hour from before, but definitely best ET. Third pass, I short shifted second and messed that one up. It had the potential to beat the previous best pass, but after my last pass. The turns out the fan wasn't working, so the car overheated and it blew coolant out all over the place. So I didn't make any more passes after that. But all in all, everybody had a really good day. I did a personal best in McNugget. Eric ran a personal best in the LTD. Brad ran a personal best in his black car. And Rodney ran a personal best in Brain, which you'll see on his channel. So all in all, it was a great day. When I was having some overheating issues before, we thought it was the relay and bypassed the relay. So now maybe I'm thinking it's the toggle switch, so I'm going to swap it out. And if it still does it, well, we'll know it's the fan.